Hey traders, it's Joe here, and I am going to do yesterday's closing read and today's pre-market analysis. So, pretty wild day yesterday where we had a really large gap down. The internals were super negative, and we saw tension just organically cross zero and end up about plus 17, which is still relatively flat. Anything inside of plus and minus 20 is to me pretty flat. And we saw price in response go completely up, which is not really uncommon when you're in a bullish market and in a pretty strong bull trend and a pretty strong gap down that was based off of news. So we saw price go directly back up. We saw the bulls take back daily tension. And at the very end of the day, we got a velocity test of zero, which sampled the bears. And during cash hours, they stepped out of the way. So that led me to believe that the market was pretty solidly bullish. But now we're going to have another pretty solid gap down. And that's going to muddy up our analysis a little bit. The internals are going to again open up pretty strong, and tension is likely going to get a little stronger to the downside. And now the bears are going to have another opportunity to control structure. So, with that said, I still believe we're bullish. I don't believe in the bears just yet. And I'm going to look to buy bearish ideas. Now, I'm not stupid. I know the market can do whatever the heck it wants. It has, and you cannot marry a narrative. So, with that said, if the internals stay pretty strongly negative and we see bearish test and the bears are able to short and they're able to affect tension, I will absolutely be bearish. But the bears really don't have anything that I can definitively say, hey, they're in the market and they're having a good time. It just seems like the market is freaking out. It's going a little bit crazy. And that's okay, but I still believe that we are ultimately bullish until proven otherwise. Now, the clarity is kind of low, and that's okay. Most of the time, it is. That's just how the market works. So if you're not quite sure with your analysis and my analysis, then just stay out because the ranges are going to be quite big, and you can lose 5 to 10 points like that. And, look, you can just use more data as it comes to build your analysis either for later in the day or tomorrow. And that would be quite good. But for me, for the most part, I'm probably going to look to buy bearish ideas. Okay, everybody, good luck trading and see you in the room.